Hello viewers and welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Now today we want to talk about classroom verbs, and these are verbs that you can typically find in your normal classroom. And this video is meant for the students who are learning Luo and would like to sit in a class and talk with their other fellow students. So I'll just give you the name, the English version and the Luo version. So let's start. Ask. Ask is penjo or penj. So if you want to ask someone, you say a penji, penj, penjo, penj. Asking is kwayo, kwayo. Explain, yango, yango. Observe. I couldn't get observe, so I'll look for it and put it in a later video. Paint is pako, pako. Spell. Now spell falls under ndeko, even though ndeko means write, but still spell will be ndeko. Give, miyo, miyo. Read, somo, somo. Study is also somo, but now study you say somo, read you say somo, then study you say somo, 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 somo. Cut is ngado, ngado. Teach, puonjo, puonjo. Think, paro, paro. Show, nyiso, nyiso, nyiso. The ng is like the sing part. Sing, where, where, where. Say, wacho, wacho, wacho. Calculate, goyo kwano, goyo kwano. Count, kwano, kwano. Draw, goro, goro, goro. Open, yawo, yawo. Close, loro, loro. Play, tugo, tugo. Then listen is winjo. Listen is winjo. Now, chiko it is the act of putting your listening, like putting your ear to listen. Chiko it. I've put my ear so that I can listen. So listen is winjo. So let me just go on the reverse. Winjo, tugo. Where is it now? Loro, yawo, goro, kwano, goyo kwano, wacho, wer, nyiso, paro, puonjo, ngado, somo, somo, miyo, ndiko, pako, yango, kwayo, penjo. Now if you watched my last video, there was some part which was missing, and I just want to put it on this video, and this is the part that was missing. We were supposed to talk about these three things, and let me see if it's there. You go. So let me just talk about the action verbs. Pull, yuayo. Agik yuayo tol ni oko mar pi. Agik yuayo tol ni oko mar pi. Push, dhiro. Nyathino dhiro wadgi malit manadeno. Nyathino dhiro wadgi malit manadeno. Throw, wito. Adwa wito yugi oko. Adwa wito yugi oko. Talk, loso. Wek loso koda. Wek loso koda. Wait, rito. Aserito mondo oduogi to pok anene. Aserito mondo oduogi to pok anene. Fly, fuyo. Winyo fuyo malo e polo. Winyo fuyo malo e polo. It, chamo. Chamo. Kech kaya, adwa chamo rabolo. Kech kaya, adwa chamo rabolo. Drink, modho. Sorry, oops. Now what happened? Drink, modho. Ka riyo oingi, to idwaro modho. That should be modho. Ka riyo oingi, to idwaro modho. Nyisa akel ni pi. Ka riyo oingi, to idwaro modho. Nyisa akel ni pi. Sleep, nindo. Nindo ohinga. Nindo ohinga. Swim, abal. Adhi goyo abal aora kuja. Adhi goyo abal aora kuja. Well, that is the part that was missing last week, and I hope that these videos help you some of these days. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, bye-bye.